Okay, so we are going to do a problem of multiplying numbers written in scientific notation. So we're on page 60. We're doing A, and we have 8.4 times 10 squared times 2.5 times 10 to the 6th. With multiplication and division, you do not have to have the same power of 10. And when you're multiplying, you're going to add the powers of 10. So it's going to be times 10 to the 8, according to our law of exponents that you guys already know. So what we have to do over here is we have to multiply 8.4 times 2.5 and we get 21. Okay? So we end up with 21 times 10 to the 8. The problem is that's not scientific notation. So if we're going to make it into scientific notation, we have to move that decimal over one place, because the rule is you can only have one number to the left of the decimal. So using Lars, which means if I move my exponent to the left, I'm going to add, my decimal to the left, I'm going to add to my exponent. I moved it once, so it'll be 2.1 times 10 to the 9. Okay, so when we're adding and subtracting scientific number notation, or numbers written in scientific notation, we have to make sure that the powers of 10 have the same exponent. And here they don't. We have a 3 and a 4. So I'm going to remember my Lars up here, because that helps. And I guess I'll go ahead and make the 3 a 4. But you could make the 4 a 3. Either one. Okay? It'll still turn out right. So if I'm adding 1 to the exponent, I'm adding, that means I have to move the decimal to the left. Okay? So it's going to be 0.841 times 10 to the 4 plus 9.71 times 10 to the 4. When you add it, you just bring down your power of 10, and then we have 9.71 plus 8.841 and we get 10.551. But that's not scientific notation. So we have to move the decimal to the left. If we're moving it to the left, we're going to add to the exponent.